So Jack's bogged. I just want to watch. I'm here to spectate. I'm in the peanut gallery. Fuck, he's strong. You gonna kick that log off the track? Watch him try and roost me. Oh, what a penis. Oh, what are you doing, Jacko, mate? Fucking hell. Oh, my bike is so creaky. I need to grease the fuck out of my linkage. Off you go then, come on. Record it. Oh, no, he's just going to go for it. I better not do that, my electric start's broken. Oh, things are not looking swell. Oh, that's so steep. Boop. Oh, there's ferns in the gully. Oh, this is quite prehistoric looking. Isn't it pretty? Oh no, what's this freak doing? Time for Jacko, mate, to find out. Oh, it's never good when Ash struggles. Ah, goodness. Man's moved a tree. Gotta wait up here for these fellas. You're doing great, guys. Doing great. You're doing great. Better put it in neutral. I didn't hear what he said because I can't turn my bike off. Because my electric start's not working. I don't want to kick it again. So, it's not confidence inspiring when Ash is struggling. Little fox gloves. Might have some hydration while I'm here. Just remember, everybody, 3 litres a day. You got this, Jacko, mate. I don't think he's got this. I don't think I have this. I just wanted to give him some confidence. There's a pallet in the bottom. That's kind of cute. Might creep on down to where Jacko mate is. Oh, this is incredibly wet. Wow, this is wet. Sorry? Oh, that's alright. Might just fucking creep on. How wet is it in the bottom? Can I just get down there and then ride out?
Yeah, it's only coming.
Oh, that's right. Oh, fucking why are you turning bars?
Let it roll, so it's straight. Let it roll.
I'm trying. Wow, that was pure ass. I
perfect green stick now, so I just got my rear into this. Pivot over that and hold out the rear.
Well, I got down in there and went, fuck it. Fucking traffic. Sorry, I got insurance, it's fine. You right there, buddy?
Big old diagonal route. He just struggled a bit, so I pulled over.
Well, that's alright, off you go. I've been recording and monologuing.
Yeah, I've been trying, but I've been concentrating.
The problem is we can't talk to each other.
Yeah.
So I feel this is an issue for the vlog. But that's alright. This bloody copper needs to hit things with a bit more momentum. I got very nervous there as I fucking bashed my foot into something on my bad knee and hip. Oh, goodness. What are we doing? Fuck me. Ooh. This doesn't look swell. Whoa. Pure fucking ass. My God. Did you see me hop that log?
Yeah.
I think that was pretty majestic, honestly. Righto. He said that was a hard one back there. I think this one's harder. Goodness. I got no spectators except for you, GoPro. You're my own one true love. Fuck, this one. Be a bit of a... Oh yeah, yeah. Gypsy. Whoa. Look at that, these fellas watching out for us. Oh. See where it goes. Oopsie. That's not confidence inspiring at all with no electric start. It'll be good with no electric start. Was nowhere near enough momentum, Jacko. Well, he made it. See what I can do. Whew. I do not want to have to kick this thing on this hill. Oh, I went all the way over. Well, we're back up and running. And on an incredibly steep fucking hill. Oh. That I've just dumped my bike on. At least it's still running. It's so fucking steep. Fuck me. Fuck, that's steep. Oh my god. What'd you say?
He said whoa for some reason.
He's what?
He said whoa, like holy shit. I think it's steep down there.
Yeah, you go look.
Can you still talk to him?
No, he doesn't have it on his helmet.
I'll yell at you. Turn your mic off. What is it? What? You said whoa. No, I said choo. Oh, that's alright then. I thought you'd shit yourself up there about something. Ah, okay. All good. In the clear then.
Oh well.
It's grippier than the last hill.
Well,
They said get that first gum tree, it'll be grippy because it's rocking it.
righto, I guess I'm fucking... Oh fuck. That hill was heaps easier.
Yeah.
Oh, my hip is so tight. Huh? I just fed it. Oh, I'm getting fucking shit on by Jack. Oh, I guess I'm gonna go the way Ash went. Oh, it's another retardedly steep hill. Watch out for the wombat hole! Okay, what are we going back down?
I'm gonna try and get up.
From here?
Or maybe back down.
I think back down.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy. Oh, this is... Well, this is a lovely pond, isn't it? Feet up, come on.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, my athletic ability will now be demonstrated. Oh, over it go. Oh, fuck. Fucking karma. Too busy laughing at Ash getting roosted and falling over, and I fucking eat it. It's funny to watch because I was laughing so hard I fell over. Righto. So I'm fucking lead rider now. Oh my god. Yeah, watch out for those diagonal sticks. Nearly fucking died on them.
That branch is a fucking cunty spot. Go around it. You're never getting over that.
Somehow I did get around it.
Yeah, I saw your phone.
It was terrifying. I was looking in here going, where the fuck is the way out? He nearly did it again.
Jack's like, you just follow the creek. I was like, I don't know, I've only done this one.
Yeah. Oh, we're going. And then there's the other one we fucking came down. Oh yeah. Fuck, that wasn't confidence inspiring. I don't want to have to kickstart a bike in a creek again.